Now that we have two HTML pages linked together, let's add some more HTML tags. We won't cover all the HTML tags in this basic HTML video series. We will cover some of the most common ones. Already, we have an H1 tag and an H2 tag. The browser automatically scales them at different sizes. Heading levels go all the way to H6. To save typing in the Atom text editor, type H2, then hit enter. Atom generates the H1 opening and closing tags. Your cursor will be right between the tags. Each text editor has different keyboard shortcuts, so it is a good idea to learn them. You can press Tab to move to the end of the closing tag. Save by pressing Command S on a Mac or Control S on a PC. All the headings appear at different sizes in the browser. Lists are used a lot on the web. There are two types of lists: ordered lists and unordered lists. Type UL for an unordered list, and then type LI for a list item. Add some list items inside the UL tags. Save the page. Now we have a bulleted list. We could change this heading to say, Time for Pancakes.